Pass. Eastbound, the direction I'm traveling was closed down for a while because of spinouts up here. But now we're finally moving. Looks like they want me to move over. Looks like there's a truck that spun out and got stuck. Says to move over, trucks in the way, and then you got cars that are still trying to pass me. I just have to cut him off. People are so ignorant. It's a trooper. Looks like they're going to tow that truck out. Yay! Yay, winter! It's pretty sloppy up here. This isn't the worst I've ever seen though. Maybe it gets worse up ahead. I don't know. See, the problem when it gets all congested like this, if you end up having to stop on that little bit of a grade behind me, you can't get started again. Like this truck here, he's stopping the flow. Everyone's trying to go around me. Yeah, even just slowing down, I'm slipping. The city probably doesn't have any chains on. I gotta try to thread this needle. Come on, please don't stop. I'll get trapped. Semis that stopped here on my left, they're going to have a hard time getting rolling again. That guy doesn't have any chains on. Stop the video here so it doesn't turn into a 20-minute video getting over the pass. If something happens, I'll turn it back on.